All right, so for this lesson, we are learning how to find the surface area of a cone and the volume of a cone. Our learning intention states that we're learning to solve real world and mathematical problems involving measurement in triangles and cones, and also circles. And our success criteria states that I will be successful when I can use formulas to find area, volume, surface area of triangles and cones. But it's also important for us to learn how to apply them. So we're going to look at some stuff that's like that as well. I'm going to pull up my whiteboard. All right, so when we're looking at cones, this is basically what a cone looks like. Now we're going to talk about just finding and identifying the different spots. This right here, the part that goes from vertical to downward, that is the height. That is considered the height. It's still that same triangle we just looked at. That is considered the height. For this section right here, the radius. Do you realize that's the radius within the circle? That's the radius within the circle, but it's also considered the base of the triangle. It's the radius of the circle. We're going to also call this section right here S. This slanted looking line that's on the side right there, we're going to call that S. Or it might look like the hypotenuse to some people. All right, but we're going to call that S. So we're talking about the surface area. Okay, I'm just going to write this out right here. When we're talking about the surface area of the cone, we are talking about the outside. Remember, surface area talks about the outside of that cone. You see there's a circle. There's a circle involved, and then there's a cone as well. There's a circle at the bottom. Do you realize that? And then there's a cone on top. So whenever we are solving that, we do pi rs plus pi r squared. Pi rs plus pi r squared. So we're finding the surface area of what the cone is, and then we're finding the surface area, the area of that circle, and then we're adding both. All right, so with that said, I'm going to give you a question. I want you to go ahead and try and solve this. Comment what your answer would be for a question like this. I'm just going to make up a number. So I'm going to say this right here is, actually, let's leave the extra. This right here is 3, 4, 5. Those are the 3 different sides, 3, 4, 5. And the question is, find the surface area for this cone. Surface area for that cone. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Go ahead and submit your comments so I could go ahead and check it. Thank you for watching.